Hey guys, I just got this new lighter. No, it's not a Zippo. Actually, I don't know if you can see it, but it's an old, here, let me flip it around. It's an old, I don't know if you can see it or anything, but it's an old Storm King lighter. It's a petrol. Let me take it out of the case. Just gonna take it a second. That's a little petrol lighter. Got the flint in it. Then got the case I got for $3. Believe it or not. Hang on, let me put that in. Okay, just got the flint replaced on it. I don't know if you can see it, but no, I haven't filled it up. I haven't bought any petrol yet. But yeah, got for $3 at a gun show. Got just the standard 4-hinge riveted. It's got the little spring-loaded chunk of metal. But yeah, got it for $3. Thought it was a Zippo, but actually there was a flint in it, but I had to get it drilled out, and you can just use regular bronze flints. I don't know if you can see it now. See, Storm King. Yep, got it done. You have fluid for it sometime. See ya. Oh, and 55 cat. If I'm actually mini flip. I'm the one that wanted to buy tractors off you. Yeah. But yeah, if you want any, I'll sell them to you.